Hello again, welcome back. In this one we're just going to be walking up from the Riu Hotel to catch the bus into Puerto del Carmen. And we were going to get the bus from the hotel, but we had to walk up a little bit. It wasn't too far, it was probably about a 5-minute walk. So you had to come up past these first lot of shops on the right here, and it was outside the San Antonio Hotel. So, nice little pleasant walk. Now I believe there are some bus stops going the other way that you can pick up that may even be nearer, but this is the one we walked to when we were going into town. And it was also very cheap. The buses were around about €150 per person, one way. And I believe you can get a return as well, but we didn't do this. We just got one into town and then we walked back along the strip. So there's a little shopping centre there on the right you walk past on the way to the bus stop. And the buses are very frequent. I think they were running every 10 minutes when we done it. Now obviously they can be a bit late. And you may have to wait 20 minutes or so. We did talk to a couple of people at the bus stop, said they've been waiting 20 minutes. But as is ever the case, whenever that happens, about 2 or 3 buses will come at the same time, which indeed did happen. But nevertheless, it's not too far a walk from the hotel. There's a TUI bus just going past there, stopping outside the hotel. And there's the San Antonio Hotel. That's on the other side of the road. I think this one here is also called the San Antonio. But you can just see the people there sitting at the bus stop. There's one coming in now. There's a TUI bus there just picking up some of the people from that hotel. And the public bus just pulling in there now. Oh, she's stepping out in front of it. Careful. Just out of Puerto del Carmen, this one? Is that where you're going, is it? Yeah, everyone's going there. Let the people off first. But as I say, the buses are pretty frequent. You just pay the driver when you get on. He had plenty of change. There was no issues if you only had euro notes. He did have change there on the bus. I think he's going to pull up nearer once the TUI bus was pulled out of the way, because he's obviously blocking the traffic there, so he had to pull in. There we go. Now the day we got the bus it was very busy, so there was quite a lot of people trying to get on. Some of them said they had been waiting 20 minutes or so. Then another one pulled in just behind it. There you go, you can see it coming in there now. So they are generally around about every 10 or 15 minutes, which isn't too bad. To Puerto del Carmen. Thank you. There you go, that's it. Just getting on board in the bus. It was quite crowded as you can see, but quite straightforward. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.